Welcome to the latest edition of Respiratory Research Updates covering breakthroughs in the past 2 weeks, brought to you by Lucid Quest. First, Beyfortus nirsevimab is now available in Malaysia to protect all infants against RSV during their first season. This single-dose option has shown high, sustained effectiveness with a favorable safety profile in trials and real-world programs. Access pathways may scale screening, initiation, and follow-up. Next, in idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis, investigators reported an inhalable dual-drug lipid nanoparticle that carries verteporfin and berberine. In a mouse model, the approach reduced fibrosis and stiffness and improved lung function compared with oral pirfenidone, with better tolerability. These are preclinical data, and translation will require rigorous study design and control of confounding. In alpha-1 antitrypsin deficiency, Regeneron and Tessera Therapeutics announced a 50-50 global partnership to develop TSRA-196, an in vivo gene writing program intended to correct Cereno with a one-time treatment. Tessera receives $150 million upfront plus milestones. The partners expect an IND and multiple CTAs this year. Turning to biologics, the FDA cleared a 300 mg per 2 ml pre-filled syringe of OMLYCLO, omalizumab IGEC, the interchangeable Xolair biosimilar. This joins 75 mg and 150 mg presentations that were approved in March 2025, expanding dosing flexibility across asthma, chronic rhinosinusitis with nasal polyps, food allergy, and chronic spontaneous urticaria. On drug discovery strategies in IPF, Tech highlighted a Phase 2 safety setback with a STAT3 inhibitor and discussed risks of transcription factor targeting. The company contrasted this with approaches such as TNIK inhibition and the natural product ACT001 and referenced AI and precision medicine strategies. The announcement did not specify the affected clinical endpoint. Kamada discontinued its Phase 3 INNOVATE study of inhaled alpha-1 antitrypsin in AATD after a pre-specified futility analysis indicated a low likelihood of benefit on FEV1. The decision was not driven by safety, and the company reiterated its 2025 revenue and E/TDA guidance. In pulmonary arterial hypertension, the FDA cleared Cereno. Scientific to begin a global Phase 2b study of CS1, a histone deacetylase modulator as add-on therapy. Approximately 126 patients on background treatment will be enrolled. The primary endpoint is pulmonary vascular resistance at week 36, with 6-minute walk distance as a key outcome. The design includes re-randomization to test durability, and first patient in is planned for the second quarter of 2026. Finally, GRI Bio announced positive top-line results from a 12-week randomized placebo-controlled Phase 2a study of GRI 062-1 in IPF with 35 participants. The primary endpoint of safety was met. Collagen turnover biomarkers improved, and exploratory analyses suggested forced vital capacity gains, all of which warrant confirmation in larger and longer studies. Stay ahead in respiratory research, like, share, and subscribe for our updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert help.